How to use curve speed in CapCut. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here is the option of new project. So click on new project. So after this, it will show your gallery. So you can select any video from your gallery. So after selecting the video, and then here is the option of add. So just click on add, and then wait some second. So you can see video is adding. So after this, you can see no video is added. So after this, here is the option of edit. So click on edit. So after this, here is the options of speed. So now firstly I will show the video. Now you can see or check the speed of this video. So after this, now I want to use curve speed, so that's why I will click on curve. So here you can see different curve. So you can select any curve. For example, I am selecting this curve. So you can see the speed of the video. So here is the speed of this video by using this curve. So you can use another curve. So guys, in this way you can use another curve. So if you want to make your own curve, so click on custom. So after this, here you can again click on edit. So you can select any curve according to you. So guys, after selecting, you can see now this video has this curve. So after this, click on OK. So if you want to remove any curve speed, so just click on it. So after this, you can see again curve is removed. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.